welcome to Vera's video.
Hi Vera.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm vacuuming.
You vacuuming the house?
Yeah.
Are you cleaning your piano or what?
Yeah. Because it's all dusty.
That's very nice.
Okay, it's all shiny.
Shiny and nice and clean?
Yeah. All done. Look at the third house. It's all clean. No, again, I have to clean this up again. This is hard for me. All done. Since I vacuumed the carpet, now I can fix my toys.
Oh, that's so nice. Look at your toys. You make them right. You put them right where they belong, so they can have a relaxing, right, Vera?
Yes, we can have a relaxing day.
I bought Vera this robot right here.
Yup, and he's shining over here.
Yeah, and his name is Bob.
Yeah, Bob.
So we're gonna unbox him and see how he's gonna clean. I think he's gonna do a great job.
Yeah.
And we're gonna see and we're gonna have so much fun. So
Yeah.
Vera doesn't have to clean anymore.
Nope.
As only the Bob is gonna do that, and we're gonna be having so much fun, being able to play and have so much time for ourselves.
Yes.
He's gonna do the job. Bob.
Yep.
Okay,
The
let's
robot.
open him up.
Yeah.
Let me help you. Here he is.
in. Should we get him out?
We actually should. Let's get him. Let's get him out of
and
here.
we have the charger.
What is that? This is the remote control, I guess, huh?
This is the remote control, so to turn him on.
I bought the robot for you.
Thank you.
Here we go. He's gonna clean the house and you don't have to do it no more.
No more for me.
No more cleaning for you. Just fun. So he's very nice cleaning the house, huh, Vera? So Bob, it's cleaning the house.
Yeah. I got a remote control for Bob to go home.
Okay, what are you gonna press?
I'm gonna press the house
Show me.
like this. See that? Easy peasy.
So he's gonna go charge now, huh?
Yeah, that's the charging station. He's gonna go in. Come on, go. Come on, go. He made it.
He's home and he's gonna get charged and we have time to go and play right now. So that's how you ride your hoverboard, Vera, huh?
Yeah. Ta-da!
Are you ready?
Yes.
I see you, Vera, in the hoverboard challenge.
Yes, let's see who's gonna win. Bring it on.
I'll see who's gonna win. You learned to ride your hoverboard very nice, so I will see. I'm gonna beat you.
No, I'm gonna win.
So I'm gonna challenge Vera to a hoverboard challenge right now and see who's gonna win. And
I'm gonna beat you.
I'm gonna beat you.
No, I'm gonna beat you.
You're going down.
No, you're going down.
This is how I'm gonna challenge Vera to the hoverboard challenge. I'm coming.
I win.
You win?
Yes.
Oh my God! So you did. Now come on. Come this way. Are you having fun? Yeah.
And did you have fun with my hoverboard challenge? It was so terrific and fun!